might be looking for somebody. His guy hasn't shown up yet.
Sorry?
Max might be looking for somebody. His partner hasn't shown up yet.
Well, I don't think we'll break the 200-kilometer mark. Would have had to do about 3 laps per hour or so.
Yeah, because what do we figure? 12 and a half with the...
12 and a half, yeah. So, yeah. What do you do?
Max, did he show up? Yeah? Okay.
That's right, yeah. You're kind of halfway. That's good. Okay. Welcome to Steel City's Jim Kelly Memorial 6-hour here at the club track. We're going to start pretty much right at 10 o'clock here, and it's going to run right till 4 p.m. Be sure to support our annual sponsors. We got Titan Motorsports, and today's event is sponsored by Eagle Press Printers. Some safety things we're going to go through. So dead slow in the pit, so when you're doing your switch off, if you're doing it as a partner, they're going to be sitting there. When you exit slow and drive through the pit slow. If you're going solo and you're going to go back for fuel at your trailer or whatnot, the race stops as soon as you leave the trail. You're just going to go slow back to your pits, fuel up, and then slow back to the trail and then get going, okay? We don't need any incidences with bikes going fast in the pits and creating an accident there. Keep your helmets on at all times on the bike. Okay, yeah, remember it's a racetrack. Out the trail, make sure you're following all the markers. Mike's going to go through some stuff with you. Medics will control the scenes at all times, so if you come up in an incident and you want to assist, if you're there first, make sure you can help your buddy out or whatnot in the trail, because we don't want to just leave him there, or try to get to the next flag or to let him know about a rider's down. Fuel lane there is right after the scorekeeper, so if you have to pull off and stop, the fuel is right there, so if you want to have fuel sitting there ready to go. That's pretty much covering all this. Mike's got a couple little things to say.
The course is really slippery. Be really careful. Use the first lap as a sighting lap. Take it easy. You're gonna gain speed by going slower, not crashing. When you start to go around the bush and into the trail, there's a new turn in there, so just be aware of that. There are some alternate sections. I wouldn't take the alternate sections until it dries up a bit, especially in the back. You know what the creek is like. Yeah,
It's deep.
I would say only for the top level riders. Take the easy way around. Be careful on the logs. They're going to be very slippery. I think that's good.
Okay.
Where can we go over? 15 minutes. You exit it right out. So this is coming.
As soon as you come out, out for that large tree, and then your two number of
Jim Kelly was a fierce competitor, but he always preached that the joy was in taking part in the races. So as we go past his memorial, let's think about that. What a good time we're having today, and it's beautiful weather.
we're gonna each class with a 10-second just sort of interval. We'll let the first class go, quick 10 seconds, then the next class, 10 seconds, next class, and away we go. So dead engine start, and once the flag goes up and drops, so away you go.
Damn. I forgot my lens wipe. I don't think I'm gonna have time to get it, so. One of the small ones. Small one. Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Fuck me.
I don't have a plug on it.
What's that?
I have a plug back in the car if you need it. Ask my wife. Come on, girl.
Fuck.
Come on. I have plugs in a bucket in the back of my vehicle if you need it.
Fuck. Fuck.
Good luck, Dave. I'll see you out
Fuck.
there, bud.
Yeah. Unfucking believable. Fuck. Fuck, it won't start now.
Oh no.
Fuck.
Worst comes to worst, I got a bike.
Oh, nah.
That's a 300 for you.
Come on, girl. Fuck. Fuck.
Roller, you need some pushing?
No, fuck. I think the plug's fouled.
Yeah, you can hear something. Yeah.
Fuck. We'll give it a minute. Dry out.
Oh yeah. Oh, that
Unfriggin' believable. I guess we'll be sitting beside each other if this thing doesn't start, Larry.
stops and starts. Did we do it yesterday?
It was freaking running perfect.
Yeah.
The problem with these is you gotta take the tank and everything off to get it to plug now.
Wow.
Start?
Yep, go.
Yeah.
Oh goodness, he's smiling.
Fuck.
It won't go?
It was running perfect. I went to start it at
Fuel filter, the mini filter.
I changed it.
Did you?
Yep.
What the hell? Do you want to try pushing, bump?
Can try. I don't know if it's gonna go or not.
You're doing solo?
Yeah.
Oh no, I hate this thing.
Okay, press the starter again. I'll tell you if it's a fuel pump. It might be fuel pump. Oh, your fuel pump's up here, right?
Yeah.
Just now. Just started. Just now.
Just at the line. I went to start it, started and died.
Foul plug?
Might be. Give it a go.
You want to give her a push? Let's go.
Yeah. Fuck.
I bet you 100% fuel pump. fuel pressure regulator. Same thing happened on my KTM, the 350.
Oh yeah.
So you don't gotta worry about that.
Your battery's about dead too.
Yeah.
Where are you parked? Let's go see if we can diagnose this.
You don't want anything to happen to them.
Yeah, but the problem with these, you gotta take the frickin' tank and everything off, right?
Just pop the seat first and we'll see if the fuel pump.
And guess what? I didn't bring anything with me today.
Everything's over here at my park right now.
Fuck won't start. Started and died. GoPro, stop recording.